Assalamu alaikum everyone. If you want to add an apartment section in your WordPress website, so first of all you need to go to your WordPress dashboard and you have go to the plugin section. Then add a new plugin. Then you need to search like this apartment booking, and then you have to go to the apartment booking calendar plugin. So I'm gonna install it. Install is finished, and now I'm gonna activate. So now you need to go to the booking press, and you must fill up this section your company name, and address, and time formats. It's depend on your choice. So date format, I'm gonna set the date, month and year, and your country. So my country is Bangladesh. So the phone number, I suggest you will put it your business phone number with your country code, and your website. So I make copy my website URL, then I put here. So your company logo, it is optional. So now you have to select your working hour. So I'm gonna start my work at 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. There are also 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Friday also it will be open. So 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Oh, I made a mistake. So Friday is our closing day. So I will keep it open half day. So that's why I'm selected there. 11 p.m. So Saturday I will keep it 1. So that's why I'm select here 9 a.m. (9 a.m. to 10 p.m. (10 p.m. means it's night time. So Sunday I will be keep open. So that's why I am selected 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. 10 p.m. means it's night time, because this is a one-line business. That's why its time is very long, official hour. So you must select your country currency. So I keep it US dollar. So service name, I will be fill up it later. And your font color, you can choose anyone from there. So I like it and color, I also like this color. So let's go finish and copy this URL. It's will be need the last time, so I make it copy, then close. So now I go to the service section, and then I make a category. So I'm going to add new, and then you have to fill up your category. So my first category is digital marketing. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Service name. So service name is website SEO, and category is digital marketing. And duration, you can choose as yourself. So I'm gonna make it 30 minutes, and price I will be keep it 00, and then save. So now I have to go to the page section, and I will go to book an appointment section, and it's need to edit. So I'm gonna save it and edit with Elementor. Now it is opening, and then I will exit it, and I go to the home page, and I will check it from another tab or another browser. So I make it refresh, and then I have to go to the make an appointment section. So it's look like this. So how it will be work, I'm showing you. First you need to select the category or service, then you have to choose a date. I'm gonna choose 28, and you have to select your time, which time you want to take appointment. So I'm gonna select this 11, and put your name, and then last name, and your email address, and your phone number. and note it is optional. And next you have to go to the next summary, and it is the summary which data you input there. So book an appointment. So this will be work this type of process, and you have to check from your website who take appointment, who want to take appointment from you. So you have to go to your dashboard. So then booking press plugin, and if you want to check, you will go the appointment section, and here will be show who make appointment. So, and if you have any question, you can put my comment section, I will be answer it. So thank you so much.